welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I thought it would be fun to film a full face of Dollar Tree makeup. I've seen other people do it before, so I thought it would be fun. I wanted to try it for myself. Since actually every single thing there costs $1, I wanted to see how good the products are there. Like, can you really find something good there? So yeah, I decided to go ahead and film that for you guys. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm the type of person that if something's really cheap and it actually works, I absolutely love it, because not everybody has the money to, you know, for Anastasia Beverly Hills, Tarte, Too Faced, all that kind of good stuff that is very expensive. Nobody has a lot of money for that, okay? And not everybody does. Everything literally was $1. There was a few things there from like brands that I've heard of, like LA Color and also Wet n Wild. So I grabbed a few little things. I grabbed a few things from that brand. But everything else I've never heard of, so we're gonna see. I haven't got lashes because, you know, you want to do like literally the whole face, so I haven't got lashes. So for primer, the primer that they have is from LA Color, and they have like different ones. They have like a yellow one, cool pink, peach, green, you know, to kind of like color correct and stuff. But I got the clear one to minimize my pores. So yeah, let's open it. This is not clear, you guys. This is white. Maybe they mean like once you put it, rub it in, it's gonna not come out. Like, I don't get it. Oh my god. Started off wrong already. Why does this clear? Look, y'all. I'm gonna show you. It says clear right there on the top. But it's not. It's not clear. It's white. I feel like I'm putting on sunscreen, like sunblock. What is going on? It does not. It's not so bad. Oh, but it feels weird. It's very I don't know, like hard to kind of like, it's not so smooth to put it, like, it's not, how can I explain it? It's not so smooth. It doesn't apply very smoothly, if that makes any sense. But like, it's so like, oh, like I have to like drag and like struggle to like put it around my face. I think I put too much, but hey. Then for foundation, I got a foundation from Sassy Chick. Now this was a little tricky for me because they didn't have like different color shades. They only had like literally 3 different shades. They had light, medium, and dark. So I got 2 so I can mix it, because this is the darkest they had. Like, come on now. And this was medium. And I know I was not this dark, and I know that I'm not this light. So I got 2 so I can mix it. So we'll see how that's gonna go, but let me go ahead and open it. Yeah, you see, like, look how light that is. Like, that is not my color at all. Like, no. So I'm super glad I got 2. So I'm just gonna mix a little bit. Actually, the dark one looks like it could probably, nah, it's too dark. And I'm gonna be applying it with my Morphe MB6 brush. It's actually not that bad. It's not full coverage, that's for sure. Okay, so the color is not so bad. It actually blend, those 2 colors actually blend to my skin pretty well. As you guys can see, look, foundation, no foundation. But the coverage is, I would say, is almost light coverage. It's not like medium coverage, because I feel like a medium coverage foundation, that's what I like, is medium coverage, and they cover more than this, because I feel like I barely have any foundation on. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get a brush, a sponge, because the brush is just, it's not working for me. I'm not feeling it. This foundation is very, very dewy. Like, my face is like wet right now. Like, I feel like I look wet. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but when I look at myself in the mirror, I look like wet. And then like, I'm tapping it, so like, you know, it can like tap into the skin, like don't be so like shiny, but I look wet right now. So I'm not a big fan of this foundation at all. I feel like, no. The concealer, I feel like the concealer, I had a hard time with concealer because that store apparently doesn't carry concealers. Then I finally found, the shades are horrible. Like I said, with the foundations, they only had 3 shades. The concealers, the same thing. They only had 3 shades. They had light, medium, and they had highlight, and then they had like contour. But the concealer is by LA Colors, so this is really light. I'm gonna see if it works. But I was super excited to film this video. Like, I was super excited to try these Dollar Tree makeup. I don't know why, but I was super excited. I don't know if it's the foundation or just the concealer itself, but it's like, I feel like I'm like, it's sliding through my skin. It's so like soft. I think it's the foundation. It's so watery because I'm shiny as hell, that it's making this like just look, you know. Okay, so not so bad. It did kind of like just blend a little. I feel like it blended a lot with the foundation. Like I feel like it's not even there, but let's just add a little bit more. So not so bad, not so bad, not so bad for the concealer. Now for the powder, I got 2 powders so I can contour and so I can set. These say that they're long lasting wear, puff applicator included. Where is it? Oh, okay, down there, which I don't use this little applicator, so I don't really care. This one's beige, so I'm just gonna apply this under, like I'm gonna set my concealer with this. I'm gonna apply a lot of it just because I'm so freaking oily right now. I get very oily around my nose area, so I'm gonna make sure that I apply a lot of this powder. All right, so not so bad, not so bad, not so bad. So this is actually an okay color. I think it could have been a little bit, I could have got a little darker one to contour, but hey, you know, let's just give it a try. Oh my God, I do not think this is gonna, no. I don't think this is gonna do anything. Let's see. Okay, so it's not as dark as I thought it was going to be. I feel like it's not really doing much. I just noticed that my under eye is creasing already. I want to say that it's the concealer because it's not creasing on my smile lines, but it is up here, so it has to be the concealer. One thing I did forget to get was blush or powder, so I'm gonna be looking like this. I'm gonna go ahead and move into the eyes. The eyeshadow palette that I got was also from LA Girl, and it looks like this. It brings 12 eyeshadows, and it also brings the little applicator, like the little smaller applicator. This is their nude palette. They had other colors, but I didn't want to do nothing too cray, you know? So I'm gonna do something very light, very, you know, nothing too crazy. Actually, I'm gonna stop right there. I'm not gonna keep going further with the eyes because I actually remember that I need to do my brows. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows first, and then I'll finish up the eyes. The brow pencil that I got is also by LA Girl. I just noticed that I got a lot of things by LA Girl. The Define and Fill Brow Pencil, and it's in the color Soft Brown. Yeah, this is gonna be a struggle because it doesn't want to write on my hand. This video is gonna be a total fail. I feel like it's already a fail just because of the concealer. It's creasing and I'm not feeling it. Like, I'm not feeling it. Okay, it's not so bad, but it's not the greatest. Like, I feel like it could have been a little darker. Oh, I could have got a little darker one. I feel like this is the darkest one. I really didn't look much. I feel like it wasn't so hard to apply it on my brows than it was on my hand, like this right here. Okay, there you go. Okay, so the brows are not so bad, I guess. I'm just gonna go ahead and continue with my eyes. So okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more of this one. I want to use the applicator just to see. Yeah. Okay, so that's as much as I'm gonna do with the eyes. Like I said, I don't want to do nothing crazy because, yeah. I also got a liquid eyeliner also by LA Color, and I'm going to apply that only because I also got lashes because I wanted to do like literally full face. So, you know, I needed my eyeliner. I'm not sure how much in the frame I'm going to be, but we'll see. Not so bad. This is actually very liquidy. It's very easy to apply, very easy. Then also I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mascara before I apply the lashes, just because I like to do that. And the mascara that I got was from Wet n Wild. This is the Enhance and Define mascara. I feel like this is the mascara that I actually am going to like and I will be using this on a daily basis, but we'll see. We'll see. So I'm just gonna apply it real quick. So the mascara was not so bad, actually. Not so bad to say it was $1. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the lashes that I got. The lashes that I got is by Wet n Wild, and I picked this one because they only had 2 lashes, and these were the one that looked the best, actually, like decent. And he also brings a eyeshadow glue, so I really like that. The other one didn't bring one, so we shall see how these look. I feel like these are very natural looking, right up my alley. Great. So me pulling it out of the little thing right here, it actually lost its shape. Look at this crap. It's like straight. Yeah, I think these lashes are going to be a total fail. These lashes are super thin, like it's crazy. Okay, so apparently the glue does not work, so I'm going to use my lash glue because lashes on. And I have to say that the lashes are actually pretty good. Like I kind of like them, you know, although they are kind of hard to, like I said earlier, they are kind of hard to like manage and stuff, but hey, you get what you pay for, you know. But let me go ahead and now I'm going to apply my highlighter. So this is the highlighter that I got. It's called the Beauty Benefits. So this is how it looks. One is very like kind of like goldish kind of, the other one's like just white. So I think I'm gonna go with the gold. I was gonna mix them both, but I don't want to look too frosty. Oh my god, the highlight is really like really popping. Like that highlight is like a lot, like it's bam in your face. Look, you guys, you can see. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that highlight and highlight my inner corners. We're gonna go do the lips. The lipstick that I got is by Color Matte, and it looks like this. And I took this one because actually I really like the color, and it also brings a lip liner, which is like great because it's 2-in-1 for $1, so why not? Well, the color actually has like a little shimmer to it, and I did not see that, but this is how the color looks. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it and see, you know, maybe the lips is the best thing that I like out of this whole look. I actually never was a fan of these little lipsticks like this. I feel like they're just weird. Ooh, and this thing smells like old. The color is not so bad. I do not like the smell of the lipstick at all. I feel like I can still smell it or taste it just because it's on my lips. I don't know. Okay, so that is it. Okay, this lash is coming off in the front. Like, it's so annoying, but you know what? I'll fix it later. So this is basically how it looks. I honestly, like, I just finished my makeup and it looks like I've been wearing it for like 10 hours already because the foundation is very dewy. It looks like it just looks very cakey. Not cakey, I just can't explain it. All right, y'all, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, definitely let me know what other like store or cheap brand you want me to try. Leave it down in the comments. And yeah, that is it. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.